That's what I'm doing. Hello dear friends, that's the weather here in Lund, and that's the second part of the vlog in the next day because I haven't recorded anything after that rain, and I even left my bicycle into that parking lot and I came home with the car because it was not okay. It was raining all the night. I mean, not really the night, but anyway, afternoon. And I had to come with the car. Anyway, today we'll recover the bicycle and we'll see how the day goes on. And I found this t-shirt back at home somewhere hidden from Yellowstone National Park, and I said, okay, I haven't worn it into a long time, so I'll get this t-shirt. Buffalo, and the bicycle, it's still flipped. See you later. Woohoo! 5:48. The next day, I mean, not really the next day because I was recording in the morning, but I forgot. Anyway, the day it's over for the moment and I'm going back home. And it's so releaseful that I finished the work. Tomorrow is gonna be Friday. Whew. I will let you with these thoughts and I will wave at my colleague now. Whew. Alright, bike inside. I'm absorbed by energy. I don't know why. Probably because I'm working too much and I'm staying awake too much time. But I have to work less, probably. Like a normal human being. Not suiciding myself with 10 hours of work, 4 days a week. And then tomorrow, it's like when I'm having a normal day with 8 hours of work, it's like just 8 hours. Anyway. We'll see how the day will go. Well, are we going to sleep or how it goes? Because I'm far behind with the editing. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Whew.